I'm arguing that there's too much violence in the media today. Children who are exposed to media have a higher chance of finding violence, even in forms of cartoons, and that's growing today. And we're going to talk about the theory of unpleasant versus happy violence in a study that was done where they took participants and had them watch video clips of different forms of violence. And so this happy violence deals with the superficial resolutions that we find in movies, whereas the unpleasant violence deals more with newscasts and news stories where we find real and true consequences of violence. And the interesting find was that there was moral reasoning with adolescents, and those who had it did not enjoy the severe punishment as much. Here we can see that there is a cartoon that has the potential to be broadcast for children to see. And the study results found that those who were shown unpleasant forms of violence did not enjoy fictional violence and the subsequent reactivity to real-world violence. And this is the result for a new solution.